Welcome learners for the discussion of chapter number 5 for unit number 2 of a pharmacy practice, that is patient medication history interview. Myself Sumit Rathod, working as an assistant professor at SVKM Institute of Pharmacy Dhule, affiliated to Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University, Dibatu, Lonare, Maharashtra. So before moving forward, we need to understand what we need to learn in this section. So our learning objectives mainly includes the patient medication history interview, introduction related with this one. We along with that we also need to learn the need for the patient medication history interview and how to study and what is a protocol for preparing the medication interview forms. So these are our learning objectives that we are going to learn. So friend, patient medication history interview. A medication history is nothing but it is a detailed, accurate and complete account of all prescribed and non-prescribed medication that a patient has taken or is currently taking before hospitalization. The medical history, case history or medical reconciliation, these are the three important terminologies related with the patient medication history interview. Medical reconciliation of a patient is an information gained by the physician or healthcare provider by asking a specific question either of the patient, or if a patient is not in a correct state of mind, then the questionnaires will be asked or the data will be collected from the other people or the patient attendant. The information obtained in this way, together with the physical examination, enables the physician and other healthcare professional to form a diagnosis and a treatment plan. Patient medication history interview provides a valuable insight into the patient allergy condition, adherence to the pharmacological and non-pharmacological treatment, and self-medication with the complementary and alternative medicines. Dear friends, here we need to discuss the importance of accurate drug history. Preventing the prescription errors and consequent risks to the patient is one of the importance for doing the accurate drug history. It is also useful in detecting the drug-related pathology or any change in the clinical signs that may result into the drug therapy. It should also encompass all the currently and recently prescribed drugs, previously adverse reaction that are occurred to the patient, including the herbal or alternative medicines, and adherence to the therapy for the better care plan. We need to also discuss the goal of the accurate drug history. The goal of a medication history interview is to obtain the information or aspect of a drug use that may assist in overall care of a patient. The information which has been collected during this process will be utilized for comparing the medication profile with the medication administration record and investigate the discrepancies and the differences. Also to verify the medication history taken by the other staff and provide additional information wherever it is required as appropriate. So it is a correct time to understand why there is a need for a patient medication history interview. A knowledge of the drugs a patient has taken in the past or the currently taking and the responses those who are drug will be help in a planning the future treatment. This is one of the important aspect behind taking the patient medication, that we are going to plan a future treatment. So we need to understand the history related with the medication taken by the patient. Drug effect should always be on the list of a differential diagnosis, since the drugs can cause illness or disease either directly or as a result of interaction. So we need to find out the root cause analysis, who is the culprit for producing the illness, either the disease or either the drug. Drug can mask the clinical signs. For example, beta-adrenoreceptor antagonist can prevent the tachycardia in a patient with the hemorrhage, and the corticosteroid can prevent the abdominal pain and rigidity in a patient with the perforated duodenal ulcer. Drug can alter the results of investigation. That's why it is a need to take an patient medication history interview. Very good example is amiodarone alters the thyroid function test. To take the opportunity to educate the patient about the medication. This is also the important aspect. Also to help to avoid the preventable errors in prescribing, since an inaccurate history on admission to the hospital may leads to the unwanted duplication of the drug. And to avoid this unwanted duplication, it is very essential for healthcare team members that they go for a patient medication history interview. They are also responsible for finding out the drug interaction, discontinuation of a long-term medication, and failure to detect the drug-related problem. That's why there is a need for a patient medication history interview. Now, dear learners, we need to discuss the patient medication history form. When we are gathering the data related with the patient medication history form, we need to interview the three important people for taking the data. Which are those we will discuss right now. So first of all, we need to take a history from the patient. When taking the history from the patient, use the word medicines rather than medication, or medication rather than drugs, which may be mistaken for the drug of abuse or recreational drug. That's why it is very important that we have to use the word medicines or the medication while interviewing the patient for medication history. They will elicit the following information: current prescribing drugs or medication, formulation. Example is a modified release tablet, dosage, route of administration, data related with the route of administration like oral dose, transdermal dose, or by inhalation, frequencies of the medication, and duration of the treatment. Other medication record like a OTC drug and the herbal or natural remedies such as vitamins and the glucosamine. Drug that have been taken in the recent past, important for the drugs with the long lives like amiodarone. Previous drug hypersensitivity reactions, their natures and the time course. Previous adverse drug reaction, their nature and the time course, like nausea with the erythromycin, peripheral edema with the amlodipine. Adherence to the therapy, for example, are you taking your medicines regularly? Recognizing that the information may be inaccurate. So, this much of information we are going to gather while we are interviewing the patient for the history related with the medication taking. In second aspect, we will interview the general practitioner or the community pharmacist for the up-to-date list of the medication, previous adverse drug reaction for the patient, and the last order dates of each medication. We will also take a history from the case notes. For example, previous prescription through the previous prescription, or is there any data available in the patient file or case notes related with the adverse drug reaction. So when we are talking about the patient medication history record, it having an ideal form, I will going to present for you, and this include of each and every information related with the medication that a patient is taken in a past, taken presently, and based upon that we will going to plan the treatment or the medication treatment for the future for the patient. So we will see, this is an ideal, we can say that sample for medication history record where you can find the name of the patient, reference record, communication data for the patient like a telephone number, mobile number, date of birth, gender of the patient. If the patient is a third party or insurance patient, then you have to include here in the insurance detail. Then in patient medication history record, you also need to include the current diagnosis, any kind of allergies which has been produces, family history for allergies, occupation of the patient, location, hobbies, percentage of a travel involved, immunization previously taken, diet of the patient, then sources of medication, from where we collect their medication, like from local pharmacy or from internet source or any other source, any cost related issue, then accessibility issue, medication storage location, container label or not. So this much of information we have to take in the general aspect. While moving forward, the medication related information, current prescription medication used, like a name of medication, doses, frequency, taken last date on, regularly taken or not, allergic reaction, side effects, and prescribed for which condition. Prescription medication not be being used currently, but used anytime in the last 3 months. Such kind of a data also need to take, and where you can find out what is the reason for stopping this medication, either the side effect or any other reason. So this much of data is also been required in a patient medication history interview. Apart from that, we need to take the OTC medication history from the patient, like for which kind of a OTC condition, like a pain, diarrhea, nausea, heartburn, cough, congestion, sinus, allergy, sleeping aid, skin problem, weight loss, anxiety, depression, menstrual issues, menopause, vitamins, herbs, for what reason patient has taking the OTC medicine, the name of the medication, the frequency, start date, last taken date, and if any side effects occurred with this medication also. And in the last section, we can take a comment from the patient that if apart from that, if any information patient want to share with us, that particular information will be included in this section. So this is a generalized schematic representation of a medical history record or a patient medication history interview record or a form. So thank you viewers for your patience hearing. This is all about the patient medication history interview.